Today I'm gonna mince some meat and I'm gonna make a spicy hamburger. It's December, it's really cold. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about 10 degrees. Got my mug with coffee here. And why am I here in my t-shirt? Because I'm getting hot today. It's gonna get warm. I got myself a vintage grinder and we're gonna mince some meat. I've got myself 20% fat, 80% meat, beef chuck from the chest and from the shoulder of the cow. Furthermore, we've got a chili pepper because I'm gonna make a spicy hamburger for myself and just a normal hamburger for my family because they don't really like the spice. I'm gonna make my own hamburger sauce. I've got myself some breadcrumb mix. We've got some paprika powder, some garlic powder, some onion powder. We've got the hamburger press with some plastic bags because the meat will really stick into the press. I've got myself something to weigh everything because I want the burgers for the kids to be 100 grams and for the adults 150 grams. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my coffee and we're gonna get to work. Let's do it. So we're gonna start off with cutting the meat. Yes, I've got myself 2.2 kilograms of halfly frozen meat. Why is that? Because I want to have it cold. If it's cold, it will not stick that much if we're gonna mince it up. First we're gonna make some cubes, about 2 square centimeters. And then we're gonna give it a good press. And this is where the muscles come in handy. Yeah, it's a lot of spinning around and it's a lot of meat. Holy crap, and I need to do this twice. From another angle, you can see that I already made one bowl empty and we'll keep on going. My arms are falling off. Last few pieces of meat and then I'm finally done for the first time. Oh man. So we're gonna add the last one to the bowl. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper. We're gonna add the breadcrumb with the herbs in there. About 2 tablespoons of mustard powder, or just 1 big handful. Same thing with the garlic powder, a big handful. Paprika powder, like 2 tablespoons. I'm using the sweet one. And then we're gonna mix it up. Yes, also by hand. And when you're done with that, I need to mince it once more. But this time it's gonna get a little bit easier because it's already minced and you don't have all the tough, rough parts. And look at the color. It's looking nice because of all the herbs. A little close up. Look at that nice mince. Now, having that done, guys, respect for the old butchers, man. Oh, damn, that's a rough job. Now, right now I did it twice. So if you can see the consistency, it's about the same as you would buy at the supermarket or at the butcher. Really nice. All the flavors mixed up right now. So now I'm gonna make some patties. As I said before, 150 grams each adult and 100 grams for each kid. Let's go. Now let's weigh. Press Tara. 100 grams for the kids and 150 grams for an adult. So that's one. That's 100 grams. And about 150. The rest will be moing balls. Yeah, I'm gonna make moing balls for when the new year comes. So that's gonna be perfect. Now I wanna add one thing more, and that's pepper. I wanna add some chili peppers to this meat. So I got myself a chili pepper. You could put the seeds in. I got about half a chili pepper for one burger. Take the mince, get the chili pepper in there. A lot of chili pepper, as you can see. I like it spicy. Next up, plastic bags. We're gonna take two. One on the top of the burger press. And one on the bottom. It prevents the meat from sticking. So give it a nice little press. Press it down. Get it out. And look at that. A perfect patty. And another perfect patty. And easy as that, 4 burgers. Now, and just to show everybody how many parts this is to clean. So we've got the mincer itself, the base. Then we've got this one going in. We've got the knife. Then we've got a plate. And then we've got this ring. So it's a lot of stuff just to grind some meat. Now, for the rest, I don't want to spend too much effort. I'm just gonna take myself a bag of fries, gonna throw it on a plate, on the barbecue, gonna cut some onions into my skillet, bake the burgers. I've got some meat here, so I've got some bread, the big ones, Italian ones for me and my wife, and the soft buns for my kids. Yeah, barbecue time! But first we're gonna make the hamburger sauce. One teaspoon of French mustard, then 1 tablespoon of the sambal, 1 pinch of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and mix it up, of course. Then the gherkin. Make small pieces of them, as small as possible. Add that, give it a little stir. And there we go, the burger sauce. Let's see. Now, onions are ready, potatoes in the skillet, going great. Ooh, getting some nice color. Time to get the burgers on. First gonna begin with that big ass mommy and daddy burger. Here it's sizzling. I'm gonna put mine separate, mine apart, filled with peppers. The kids' burgers. Give it a small press, so the grill marks will come in. Also got myself some cheese, packed cheese, melting cheese. One of my kids love it, my other one doesn't, so they can have it as they want. Potatoes, nice in the skillet, getting a little bit of crisp. Now, waiting game. One side ready. Now let's go for the other side. First we're going to do the thin ones because they will be ready really fast. One of my kids preferred it with cheese. So let's melt some cheese on there. Some melting cheese. I don't want the tips to go into the barbecue and it's really hot. The mommy burger. Also with some cheese. The spicy daddy burger. You can always look grill marks if you want to twist them just for the eye. Also adding some cheese. Few minutes and ready to take off. Time to plate up. I'm gonna start with the daddy burger. Barbecue. Oh, nice, nice. Now we've got the burger sauce here. On the bottom. Some onions from the barbecue. The spicy burger on there. And if you want, you can always add a little bit more sauce. Just a little bit. Get the top in with the knife. Bang! I also got myself some cucumber salad. Added some fresh cucumber. Always nice to switch it up. The potatoes. Add in the rest of the onions, all the leftovers. Switch it up. Ladies and gentlemen, homemade burgers. So easy food on a Saturday, well, easy. If you have minced everything, it's gonna be an easy meal, but yeah, it took me a couple of hours. Now, let's eat, guys. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. And we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye! With some burger sauce. Mmm.